আসসালামু আলাইকুম বিডি অনলাইন লার্নিং স্কুলের আরেকটি নতুন ভিডিওতে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত।
The judge referred the matter the police. Appropriate preposition হবে the judge referred the matter to the police. She would like to have a chat me. Answer হবে she would like to have a chat with me. He burst laughing on hearing my story. শূন্যস্থানে appropriate preposition হবে she burst out I am not accustomed this kind of life. Correct preposition হবে accustomed to. Mr. Rahman is trying hard to make his loss. Appropriate preposition হবে Mr. Rahman is trying hard to make up his loss. They set early in the morning. They set out early in the morning. Our examination has been put. Appropriate preposition হবে has been put off. It is 10:15 now. Appropriate preposition হবে 2:15. Don't run the sun. Appropriate preposition হবে don't run in the sun. The Royal Bengal tiger is found in the Sundarban. Appropriate preposition হবে is found in the Sundarban. You must take care your health. Appropriate preposition হবে you must take care of your health. The boy broke the glass pieces. Appropriate preposition হবে into pieces. Jerry stood the fire. Appropriate preposition হবে stood by the fire. Look the word in the dictionary. Appropriate preposition হবে look up. The reporter looked the matter. Appropriate preposition হবে look into the matter. Don't be afraid to admit your mistake. Appropriate preposition হবে admit to. She bought the book টাকা 100. Appropriate preposition হবে at টাকা 100. I prohibited him going there. Appropriate হবে from. Render the passage English. Appropriate preposition হবে render the passage into English. Fortune smiled him. Appropriate হবে smiled upon him. She will succeed life. Appropriate হবে succeed in life. The doctor referred him a specialist. Appropriate হবে referred him to. The matter should be looked. Appropriate preposition হবে should be looked into. Where are you aiming? Appropriate হবে what are you aiming at? Rahim prides himself her ancestry. Appropriate হবে prides herself on. It was 10 o'clock at night when we reached there. Appropriate হবে it was about 10. We should guard contagious disease. Appropriate হবে guard against. The climate of Cox's Bazar is congenial health. Appropriate হবে congenial to. The ship is bound Chittagong. Appropriate হবে bound for. He is devoid common sense. Appropriate হবে devoid of. Let us hope the best. Appropriate হবে let us hope for the best. I do not hanker money. Appropriate হবে hanker after. She is qualified the post. Appropriate হবে qualified for the post. Sir Edmund Burke was remarkable his speech. Appropriate হবে remarkable for. Riaz was brought by his uncle. অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে brought up by his uncle. They called a doctor for the sick child. অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট প্রিপোজিশন হবে they called in. Who has blamed the accident? অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে who has blamed for the accident. She said nothing. Reply. অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে nothing in reply. There is no exception this rule. অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে exception to. I do not agree him. অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে I do not agree with him. Nothing can compensate this loss. অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট হবে compensate with. The company enjoy a reputation quality of product. Appropriate হবে a reputation for. Never jump conclusions. Appropriate হবে never jump to. I listened carefully what she said. Appropriate হবে I listened carefully to. I am not ignorant modern technology. Appropriate হবে I am not ignorant of. She is aware all that you have done. Appropriate হবে aware of. She insisted his innocence. Appropriate হবে insisted on. I read the book much interest. Appropriate হবে I read the book with. She was inclined trust him. Appropriate হবে inclined to. She was envious my reputation. Appropriate হবে she was envious of.